Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have leftover from a friend's party. This is pancit or noodles, and this is also noodles but with sardines and some veggies. So this is how we bring leftover food from other house to our house in a Ziploc bag. So I'm going to eat this with rice, but I'm going to warm it first. So I will be right back. Hi guys, and I'm back. So I already warmed this noodles. So they are both noodles but different kinds. So this one have sardines. Oh, this is so yummy. And there's tomato. And this one, so these are very famous in Filipino. And of course I'm gonna eat this with rice. I'm so glad that I have friends, Filipino friends who are good cook. So you can hear a noise. That's my husband cooking for his lunch, because we don't want to eat this. He don't want to eat my food. You hear that? That's my husband.
Making eggs.
Making
eggs
his
sausage.
making his eggs and sausage. That's so good. Tastes like home. Tastes like home to me. So yesterday, my off, so I had time to come and visit my friend. And she cooked this for me. I love this kind of noodles. There is a pork, veggies, and carrots. This one is different too, but this is also good. Look at this. This is the sardines. They are both noodles, which is very good. So I asked my husband to try this food. He did try it, but he don't like it. I mean, he did try it, but he don't like it. Do you find Filipino food so weird? My husband finds it so weird. Noodles plus rice, but it's so yummy.
You want to turn on? No.
You know this recipe? This is very known in the Philippines. Like every party, like birthday, anniversary, Christmas, New Year, or any party, this dish here is present. But they are the ones who always left out. Like, for example, this one, and there's another food in the table. Nobody will pick. Nobody will choose that. Yeah, because these are very cheap. So if you cook that, you can make a lot of noodles like this, and very cheap. That's why it's always present. You get full, you feel full easily with this. Because they are both, all of them are carbs. Like this. Kind of spicy. This one is kind of spicy because there is this one. Can you hear also someone is eating there? I love eating here. I'm eating with my Filipino food because I'm a Filipino, and my husband also eating his food. I'm so glad Filipino friends here are able to go visit them, cook Filipino food, and do some things that we usually do, like karaoke, talking,
Hmm?
What? Ugh. I'm just gonna drink my coffee from this morning. Now I'm so full. So I can't eat every food. I mean all of this. Because even if I want to, my stomach won't accept it. It's like my stomach saying, that's enough, that's enough. There's no room for more foods in my stomach. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. If I still keep it, and I'm not sure if it's still good for tomorrow, but I'm gonna try. And I'm done for today's video, noodles and rice. Thanks guys for watching my videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.